Welcome everyone to a new devlog series. For the series, I decided to work on an experimental top-down car racing game. I don't have a name for my game at the moment, but I will think of one later. And without further ado, let's get into it. So first we need to start with our placeholder sprite. It is necessary to have a placeholder sprite so we could tell where is the object at. And so I started working on the player's movement, which is quite the basic stuff. But wait, something is wrong here. I want to make the controls like a racing car, not an RPG controls. So I started tweaking around with the code and we got moving forward with the up arrow, also known as the acceleration. I'm sure it's not gonna backfire, right? I did mess around a little with it, and well, after some attempts of tweaking, I give up. Wait, don't leave yet. I didn't entirely give up. I decided to look more into the game maker's built-in variables. Turns out I forgot there is a built-in speed variable inside of game maker. How could I forget this thing? Finally, I've got most of the system of the car down and ready. Got the rotation, and well... Next up is the camera, which I just basically copied the code from my own game. And now we need to have our own track. We don't want to stay in this black space forever, so I decided to make a quick track. And well, I just made quite a horrible track, okay? So next up, I got into creating the gears for the cars, because you wouldn't call it a car if it doesn't have gears. I also decided to cap out the speed to make sure that we don't end up out of control as you saw earlier. We'll also allow for reversing the vehicle. Now we need to make the sprites. I'm not really the best when it comes to spriting or making my own art, but I got this fella going. Now with making the frames. Each frame I made the white lines move to the right to simulate the sense of speed that we need to have. Testing each frame out while changing a couple things to see how things work. After finishing the frames, I decided to test it out because I couldn't really wait to try it out. And I actually really liked how it's coming right now. It may not be a lot, but it's a start. I decided to change the track to a circular one, because the one I used did not really make sense to me. And that does it for this video. Make sure you like the video if you liked it, as it helps me out a lot.